What's going on, mi gente? It's Jay again, or Pastor Jay. We just finished our series on love, right? And what love looks like and what love is not. And, a lot of different ways and forms of what love is supposed to be like scripturally, right? So, starting Friday, we are going to go back to basics, right? I know that the way people think nowadays has evolved, right? Has changed. And what was rule before is gray now, right? What was black and white before is now a little bit gray. And that's because people think and see things differently. So we've kind of lost sight of what the foundation is, right? So we're gonna touch base on that. And we're starting this Friday with faith, with how the world sees faith and how believers see faith. But we're gonna bring all that into what faith is according to Scripture, what our faith is according to Scripture, right? So starting Friday, back to basics. And each week we're going to hit one or two basic fundamental foundations of our faith as Christians. Okay? So this Friday we start our Back to Basics series, starting off with faith. We just studied love. Now we're going to get into what faith is, what the Bible teaches faith is. All right? So thank you for tuning in and thanks for listening to our conversation at the Overflow Podcast at thisisoutcry.com.